Ready?
Say this.
We got a surprise for you.
RC mayo. Hi everyone.
Welcome back to
This, that, and the other thing. In this video I have an RC car, and I wish I had this car.
I think it's that one. Alright, let's open it up.
Yeah, I can't believe I got this RC car.
Pull the box.
I love it. Yes, I love stairs.
So it comes with 2 batteries.
It's amazing.
This is where the battery goes.
That is cool, Mama. You have to see this. It's camoed. I love that color.
Just plug these in. This is the on and off button.
Oh, this is a
And
cool.
you press and hold to turn it on and off. This is the second battery.
I want to put top on.
Want to put stickers on it first?
The rough. It went true.
Good, awesome. Now I just gotta put these thingies on.
We put some steers on it, now it's ready to drive. I think that thing can do a wheelie. Did that thing do a wheelie on a hill?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Oh. Hey.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Hey Dom, you wanna try to do donuts
Yeah.
in the driveway?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Go.
Okay, now turn the wheel, and go.
Woohoo! Donuts!
Donuts!
What's going around? Donuts!
Oh, you think it can do a wheel?
Yeah!
Wait, do it again, but try to go in circles. Do one, go. You just said it.
Wait, Mama.
It's been about 45 minutes and the battery is still going strong.
I got a box, so I'm gonna cut it out.
I'm going to make a ramp out of it so Dominik can ramp the RC car. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Go.
Here we have it.
Out there.
I'm just gonna put it right here for now. See how it works.
Yeah, am I gonna do it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Can I see? No, forward! Forward! Where are you going?
No. It's going through.
Alright, let's try this. Can you hold my phone? Keep it just like that.
Set, go.
Let me go backwards.
Okay, my turn.
It's actually harder than it looks, okay? Ready? Yep.
Wait, Emma, I haven't.
Wait, now go.
It's going down.
So there's an option that says slow and normal. It was set on slow and I just turned it on normal and it goes pretty fast. Ready?
Now can I go?
Yeah. It goes so much faster. Alright, stop. Let me see. I'm going to switch it back onto slow because the battery will probably run out quicker and you like playing for a long time, don't you?
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Go in the box. Go. You push the box. I have an idea.
What?
Probably.
Hey Luna. Luna just got fixed. If anyone wanted to know, a little update. A couple days ago. She's doing well though. What? No, Luna!
No! I'm dead.
Luna just made me drop my phone.
Oh, I want to
Wait.
I want to try that. Wait, stop. I want to try that.
You want to know how to do that? Okay, wait. Let me show the camera so if anyone else wants to know how to do it. So if you want to learn how to do this and land right back on your side, all you have to do, Dom, is go backwards. Wait, let's put it.
Backwards?
Yeah. A little, just tap it. Don't go. Nice.
Awesome.
See, but you hit it like really hard. Just tap it once. Get over there or something, or yeah, perfect. Fail. Woo!
I bounced it. Awesome.
It scared Luna a little. You look really warm. Is it hot outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share.
And comment down below what you'd like to see next.
Comment down below. See you next.
Bye.
Bye.